She is really cute. She is really natural looking vibes. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we're doing a wig review. I'm doing a wig review on this Janet Collection Logan wig, and I'm definitely liking the way this wig turned out. I got some things to tell y'all. I think it's pretty good, so you might want to stay tuned. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick a little bit unboxing, and then I'm going to talk to you guys at the end. On this channel, I do some wig reviews, I do some makeup. I also have this makeup coming really soon. Oh, and I also do skincare, okay? So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. On this wig, she is really cute. She is really natural looking vibes. So the wig that I'm talking about today is Miss Logan. This is from the Janet Collection Melt Collection. So Janet Collection has two different kind of melt collections that I'm noticing. They have a 13 by, I think it's a 13 by 6 or 13 by 7 lace frontal, a full frontal, and they also have the melt collection where it's just a lace part. This is the lace part. So I just have a specific lace part right here on the right side. You're going to get a little bit of lace in the front right here, and it comes with some baby hairs. The cap is pretty stretchy. I wish it was a little bit bigger. It is coming off a little bit just right, but the fact that the cap has that stretch in the back, I did have to kind of pull it from the back. So guys, remember to pull the wig from all that stretch in the back to the front, and that way the wig can actually fit. So as far as specs goes, it says it has a transparent lace. It's an extended lace part. It says it has that Swiss lace. It's HD high definition. It says it has a natural deep parting space, and it's known for the melt down. That's what this collection is known for. So let's go ahead and start with this lace. So the fact that this lace is from the Melt Collection, I did not have to go in and tint this lace at all. I really do like that about this Melt Collection. It did melt onto my skin pretty good. So I did basically, like right here, if you can see, like it's all shiny because of my lights and the glue. I hate that. Don't y'all hate that? So all I did was spray down right here, guys, and I just went in with some bobby pins. Shout out to Miss Ebin V, because she kind of reminded me that you can use bobby pins and not have to secure your wig all the way down to the side, and that's what I did. I basically just put some bobby pins on the side here and secured right here. I feel like this wig kind of slides a little bit, so you definitely need a wig grip when putting on this wig. This is a beautiful 99J color. I love the fact that it's really coming off really natural. I did initially get two colors. I'm gonna end up rocking this other one for sure because this is so natural looking. Like, look how comparable this 99J is to this number 2. Well, it's not that comparable. But the 99J kind of pops out more with the light and when the sun is going to hit it. So that's the beauty of 99J. Like, it's subtle, but then you see it kind of with like certain light. This is the number 2 color and this is the 99J, just so you guys kind of see a comparison of the two. I was gonna do both colors for y'all. Y'all know I like to do 2 colors for y'all, but I'm not gonna lie, this is the first day filming in a while, and I had to find my groove. I couldn't find my groove. I was struggling to find a groove, so I was just like, no more, no more. I'm done. I'm done. It took me forever to set up and do all this stuff, and I was like, I'm done. So if y'all want to see that natural color, let me know. Maybe I'll do it later in another video or something like that. Let me know. Drop a comment down below. So now let's talk about this texture. So I have reviewed a kinky straight Janet Collection wig that I feel like me and her been fighting, you know, it took a while to be friends and stuff, but that wig was beautiful. The texture was beautiful, but the wig was so big. The wig was huge. I went in, I revamped it, and I actually liked the wig a little bit better. So check out both of those videos right here of that kinky straight texture. So when I went in with this wig and seeing all this volume and all this beautifulness, I was a little bit scared. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I thought this wig would have that same texture, but this texture actually is different. It's not as kinky as if you got that Janet Collection kinky straight wig. It's not that texture at all. This one is more like, it's definitely giving me kinky vibes for sure. You're seeing all the kinks, but it's really soft. It's really airy and it's really flowy. I'm loving how when I move it, the more I move it, the more natural looking it's getting. So it has like these nice soft crinkles in it, but it kind of reminds me more of like, I want to say a silky texture that they kind of fluffed out. That's kind of how it feels, but not in a bad way. I also did notice that the more and more you manipulate this hair, she is going to fluff out really, really fast. Like you see how frizzy it's getting, but I like that. It's looking more natural. It's looking more realistic the more and more you fluff it out. But the texture is definitely not the texture that I thought it would be. But it's okay. Like I said, it's okay. The density looks huge. It looks like it's a 200, but this is actually really, really, it's not as dense as you would think it is. So I really do like that because what happens is the wig becomes very manageable. So it's not overwhelming. I don't feel like I need to thin this wig out. I don't feel like it's too big. I feel like this wig is perfect. I love the curls on the end of this wig. It's giving me real natural vibes with this wig. It's really giving me what's on the stock card and I'm here for it. I really do like it. I kind of wish that they put that texture that was on the kinky straight wig on this wig. That would have been bomb. But again, maybe that texture was just too overbearing and it was just too much and that would have made this wig too full. So because it's so light, it's not so thick and it's not hot. You won't be too hot in this wig. It's flowing. It's good. It works. I think she's a winner. I did have to go in and frame it a little bit more kind of to my face right here and on the sides right here. I had to frame it. Overall, she's cute. She's a good length. She is frizzing out the more and more you manipulate her. So keep in mind that the more you manipulate it, the more it's going to frizz out. You see that? That's kind of what happened with D. I think that happened with D, if I remember correctly. D kind of did frizz out really, really fast on me. I wish the hairline was a little bit more pre-plucked, but it's not. It's okay because it's natural. It works. Overall, it's fine. I didn't feel like doing much to it. I started to go in with a little bit of baby hairs, but like I said, this is it. This is all y'all got. Stay tuned for this makeup look. It's coming. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Comment below if you guys would rock this wig because I'm here for it. I like it. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.